The black one's worse, isn't it?
No, you guys are misbehaving, so you can't go in with the big kids. Need to learn to behave. You hiding behind the big tree? Think your brother can't find you? I can hear the ball rattling. Big guys want them back into play. Hi! Oh, there's that donut! Somebody's got the donut! Oh. Not as much fun when there's not a whole crowd following you. That's a cool ball here. This is all really soft rubber, and then it has that ball inside. I don't imagine it would last long with a adult beagle, but for puppies it's really fun. They love that. Yes, you're silly and you're a bad dog.